Most people waste free night certificates without realizing how much value they're losing. And honestly, that's one of the biggest mistakes in the entire travel rewards world. Because a Wyndham free night certificate can either save you a massive amount of money, or quietly disappear on a weak redemption that barely helps at all. Here's the truth no one tells you. The value of a free night certificate depends almost entirely on when and how you use it. And in 2026, timing matters more than ever because hotel prices are becoming increasingly unpredictable. In this video, I'll explain exactly how Wyndham free night certificates work, the smartest ways to use them, the biggest mistakes travelers make, and the hidden strategy experienced travelers use to stretch these certificates dramatically further. And later, I'll show you the one type of booking where a free night certificate becomes insanely valuable. So let's get straight into it. First, let's simplify what a free night certificate actually is. A Wyndham free night certificate allows eligible travelers to book certain hotel stays without paying the normal cash rate for the room. Sounds simple. But here's where things get interesting. Not every redemption gives equal value. This is the mistake beginners make constantly. They redeem certificates during cheap hotel periods instead of expensive ones. That destroys value immediately. Now, imagine Jake books a hotel room costing only $90 cash using a free night certificate. Technically, yes, he received a free night. But the certificate could potentially have saved far more money during a peak travel period. Now compare that to Alex using the same certificate during a major holiday weekend, when hotel prices surge to $300 per night. That redemption becomes dramatically stronger. And this is exactly how experienced travelers think. They maximize cash savings, not emotional excitement. Now here's where most people fail. They treat free night certificates like coupons that must be used quickly instead of strategic travel tools. That mindset leads to rushed, low-value bookings. But here's the problem. Certificates often come with expiration dates. So the smartest strategy is balancing urgency with optimization. You don't want to waste the certificate. But you also don't want to panic book a weak redemption. Now in a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to identify high-value certificate opportunities almost instantly. But first, let's discuss where Wyndham certificates often become most useful. Road trips. This is one area Wyndham quietly dominates. Because Wyndham has a huge hotel footprint across highways, smaller cities and practical travel routes. Days in Dot. La Quinta Torapog. Super 8. Microtel. Wyndham Garden. That broad coverage creates flexibility. And flexibility increases usefulness. Now imagine John is taking a multi-state road trip with his family. Hotel costs begin adding up quickly across multiple nights. A strategically used free night certificate can instantly reduce total trip costs without requiring complicated travel planning. That simplicity matters. Especially for families and practical travelers. Now here's where it gets interesting. The best certificate redemptions usually happen during periods when hotel cash prices rise sharply. Holiday weekends. Concert weekends. Sporting events. Major conventions. Peak vacation seasons. This is where certificates suddenly become extremely valuable. Because your savings increase automatically when hotel prices spike. And this is the hidden strategy experienced travelers use. They target expensive nights instead of random nights. Now let's talk about another important factor. Location, flexibility. Many travelers lock themselves into one destination and one hotel option. That reduces redemption power. Smart travelers compare nearby properties, nearby dates, and nearby travel periods before booking. Sometimes shifting your stay by even one day creates dramatically better value. Now here's where most people fail again. They ignore total trip costs. Even with a free night certificate, some hotels may still include taxes, parking fees, resort fees, or additional charges depending on the booking structure. This is critical to check before confirming a redemption. Because free does not always mean zero cost. Now let's discuss another hidden strategy. Combining certificates with points or paid stays. This can create smoother multi-night trips while lowering average nightly costs significantly. For example, Alex books 2 paid nights and uses a certificate for the most expensive night in the middle of the trip. That strategy maximizes total savings. And honestly, this is how experienced travelers think differently. They optimize entire trips, not isolated bookings. Now here's where it gets interesting again. Last-minute travel can create surprisingly strong certificate value. Why? Because hotel cash prices sometimes surge unexpectedly due to limited availability. Imagine driving during a busy holiday weekend and discovering nearby hotels suddenly cost far more than expected. A free night certificate can completely change the financial impact of that trip. That's real practical value. Now let's answer another common question. Should you always save certificates for luxury hotels? Not necessarily. This is where many people get distracted by prestige. The smartest redemption is usually the one that saves the most real money or solves the biggest travel problem. Sometimes that's a higher-end stay. Sometimes it's simply avoiding painful hotel prices during peak travel periods. Utility matters. Now here's the easiest strategy for spotting strong certificate opportunities. Simple. Compare the normal cash rate first. If hotel prices are unusually high for your travel dates, the certificate becomes more valuable automatically. If hotel prices are unusually cheap, paying cash may be smarter while saving the certificate for later. That one habit dramatically improves results. Now let's discuss another mistake travelers make. Forgetting expiration timelines. This happens constantly. People save certificates for the perfect trip and eventually lose them entirely. That's the worst possible outcome. A decent redemption is still infinitely better than an expired certificate worth zero. So balance optimization with practicality. Now here's where Wyndham becomes especially useful for many travelers. Its network supports practical domestic travel extremely well. That means certificates often become easier to use organically during normal trips instead of requiring complicated luxury vacation planning. And honestly, easier usability often creates more real-world value. Now before we finish, let's summarize the smartest Wyndham certificate strategy. Use certificates during high cash price periods, holiday weekends, major events, peak travel seasons, or expensive last-minute bookings. Avoid wasting them during cheap weekdays, low-demand periods, or heavily discounted hotel seasons. That single rule changes everything. So here's the bottom line. Wyndham free night certificates can deliver excellent value in 2026 if used strategically. The smartest travelers focus on maximizing cash savings, targeting expensive travel periods, and using certificates where hotel prices become painfully high. That's how you turn a basic travel perk into real financial value. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with the best hotel redemption you've ever booked using points or certificates. And if you want, I can also break down the best Wyndham hotels for maximizing free night certificate value this year.